Right.
Just remember, it's not finished yet. It's never finished.
This fucking bike is gonna hurt somebody's fucking feelings. God, that cutout. This thing. It's so subtle. I like all your shit because it looks like it's moving when it's still. That's your sense of movement is for me, that's the biggest thing.
Well, we're finally here in Austin. See, look, Handbuilt Show. Got my bike. We're gonna polish the shit out of this thing. Make it like polishing a turd. Polish a turd anyway. That's the point of it. But anyway, it's good to be here in Austin. Look forward to seeing you all. Someone buy me beer. I like beer. I'm Australian. Of course I like beer.